Hi guys, I am back to do another nail product review. This time I got the products from Shein, and the first product is a nail glue debonder called Gellen, or the brand is Gellen, and I saw a video on YouTube and the nails seemed to pop off fairly easily, so I thought I'm definitely going to give this a try. And I also bought some brush-on nail glue just for easiness of applying, being able to put it straight onto the nail bed and not getting any spillage. I thought I would give this a go and see how it goes. And I will put all the prices on screen and also link below, but hopefully this is a good one. And I always read the reviews before purchasing just to make sure that they've got good reviews. And I also bought this glue as well. It is a gel glue and it's Nailpop, or it's called Nailpop, the brand, and it is a glue that is a gel, and I thought that would be good because it's a fairly decent size container, so you get a fair lot of use out of it. Plus it's also a gel consistency, which is good sometimes because some nails, like I have quite a flat nail bed, and when you put the glue on, it doesn't always stick completely. You get air bubbles, and you don't want that with your false nails. So I thought I'd give this a try, and it just helps to, fill in all the air bubbles. But I thought it was just a gel glue, and it's actually one that you have to cure under the lamp. But we will give this a go and we will see how it works. So I will be reviewing these 3 products honestly and let you know what I think of them as we go. Okay, so let's unbox the Gellen. So it is not a bad size bottle, and hopefully I have my fingers crossed that this product works, because I'd really love an easy way of taking off your nails. Now inside there it comes with 2 little plastic pushers as well, and that's one's got a pointy end, and that's to help you kind of break the seal, and then the other side is to help you kind of lift it gently. But I will probably use my metal pusher just because that's what I'm used to working with, but I'll give them both a go and see how it goes. Now let's get started on my nails. Alrighty, let's give this a go. So basically you just need to spray around the edges of the nail. If you've got any lifting already, it'd be a good spot to fill it there first of all. See, let it sort of get in under the nail. But I had a little bit of a gap there on my thumbnail, so I'm just going to spray it there. And I will go ahead and spray all of them so that they have a chance to kind of sit in the liquid. I have a tendency to overspray everything. I don't know why. I feel I need to saturate the nails, but it kind of evaporates quickly, so I feel like it's not doing its job. But so far I have got a little bit of lifting on this nail, so I always do with the thumbnail. I don't know, maybe it's because my nail bed is so very flat that there's air pockets underneath and the nail doesn't stick on, because it seems to pop off a lot on that thumbnail. The lady that I watched who had a video on YouTube of this product, she had really long nails. She said she'd had them on for a while. She didn't use any special glue or anything like that, and hers seemed to pop off really easily without any nail damage. So I was really hopeful for this product. Doesn't seem to be moving mine as quickly as it seemed to move hers. So I don't know, maybe it comes down to the products that you are using and the glue and everything that you are using and how this product actually works on that. So that could have a lot to do with it, but I'm just going to speed up the video and I'll come back and let you know how long it actually took to get these off. Okay guys, I am back. I finally got them all off. You can see I've got a lot of nail damage there, like a lot of nail damage there. I did cut out at least worth an hour's worth of footage. I figured you wouldn't want to sit there just watching me try to pry these nails off. And I must say, I can't blame the product because I have seen it working on other people's nails. I think it might be the products that you use. So the Kmart glue that I've been using is a really strong glue. It actually glues the nails on, so it's great if you want to keep them on. But for taking them off, I would literally have to soak them off. And that for me is so time consuming, and it's not worth wearing press-on nails all the time if I have to continuously soak them off for ages, and then I lose every set of nails. So I'm going to give it another go down the track. I can't give it a definite thumbs up or thumbs down because I really don't know if it's the products that I'm using. So as you can see, unfortunately there is a lot of nail damage there, so I will come back to review this maybe another time and with a different glue, and I'm going to give these products a try as well, and I will tell you what I think about those. Okay guys, before I go any further, I'm just going to do a quick nail repair on this nail that has the most damage. It's got a split right across, as you can see there, and it's too far up for me to cut it back. So I'm going to repair it using some silk strips that I've had for quite some time, and I have them on hand, so I'm going to use those. I'm not going to film it because I do have a nail repair video using a tea bag, which is the exact same principle and method, so I'll link that down below just in case you want to learn how to repair a nail. Figured that you'd have tea bags on hand, not necessarily have these silk fiber wraps, but it's the same principle as I said, so feel free to go and check that out if you'd like to learn how to repair a nail. But I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back after doing my nail repair, and what I've done now is I've just stuck on a press-on nail with the brush-on glue that I'm reviewing, just to see how that goes, removing that with the nail debonder. So I am expecting it to be a lot easier because it's a fresh nail application, so the glue is probably not as set as it might be if it's been on for a few days. But let's have a go at this. I actually did the other nail and forgot to film it, so I had, as you would have seen in the previous clip, I had like a silver nail on my other thumb, and I used that other pop glue, the gel glue, for that one, and it popped off really easily, and I think maybe it wasn't cured enough. I've never used that glue before, so I have to have a bit more practice. But with this one, I am just being very gentle. I don't want to rip at my nails. I am very impatient when it comes to getting off nails, and that's why I end up with so much nail damage. You really do have to take the time, and even when it comes to soaking off your nails, you know, not rushing it, just soaking them off until they actually do come away. And time is something that I don't have a lot of, so I can get impatient, so that's my fault. And here we go, that one came off relatively easy and didn't do any further damage, so that's a good sign. So let's again review this product maybe at a later date when I've had the nails on for some time. I'm going to say that the glue has a lot to do with it, but just recapping now on the overall review of these products, I'm going to say the brush-on nail glue is pretty good and easy to use, and I'll have to obviously use it more often to give it a really good review, or it's an average or just as good as any other glue. The debonder, I did manage to get my nails off without soaking them, but not without damage. And the gel glue, I probably need to use it more often and gain a bit more experience as to what I think of that. So you'll probably see me review these more in the future. And thanks for watching, and feel free to leave me any comments, nails tips, anything at all. These are the next nail tips that I want to apply. I think they're gorgeous. I also bought the stickers so that I could recreate that look on my own nails if I want to. But thanks guys, and I will see you in future videos.